wanunue nyumba alafu waweze kutransfer back to themselves. Thank you, Excellency.
Okay, so nafikiri tumeanza sasa kunyorosha maneno. Na mimi nataka nishukuru bunge. Hold on, Karongo. Tumeanza kunyorosha maneno na ni vizuri, and hata vile mahakama walisema turudie hii maneno, walifanya vizuri, kwa sababu walituambia turudi tupige msasa hii sheria vizuri. Sasa hiyo sheria tumeinyorosha kabisa, na hata imetusaidia. Kuna watu walikuwa wamewachwa nje, hawakuwa wanalipa hii sasa pesa imeongezeka zaidi. So tunashukuru mahakama wametusaidia kutuongezea pesa ya affordable housing. Na vile hawa viongozi wamesema kutoka bunge, ile public participation, vile PS amesema, public participation is not a sterile provision in the Constitution. It is a meaningful insertion to bring the views, the understanding, the ideas, and the suggestions of people, Kenyans, to speak life and to breathe into legislation, regulation, policy, and other government programs in a very substantive and meaningful way. And when the public said that the 10% deposit was high, I'm very happy that the Senate has considered, and now we are going to find a way around it that is not going to be a mandatory requirement for anybody to have a deposit of 10%, and it will be assessed on a case by case, and that is what the board, which is going to be to provide policy direction to the management of this program, is going to do. So congratulations, members, and also to the public for bringing their views to bear on this piece of legislation. Karungu, maybe you can finally say something as the chair of housing in Senate.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. At the Senate, we listened to the public,